Introducing the Amazon Besto Leg Massagers, your gateway to ultimate relaxation and wellness. Discover the top contenders that promise to rejuvenate your tired legs, relieve muscle tension, and enhance blood circulation. While primarily a foot massager, this product also targets the lower legs. It's equipped with heat therapy and adjustable intensities, making it suitable for relaxation and pain relief. With its easy-to-use control panel and multiple massage modes, this leg massager provides customizable relief for tired and sore legs. It's a great choice for relaxation after a long day. This versatile leg massager offers various massage techniques, including kneading and squeezing. It's designed to target specific muscle groups in your legs and calves. This leg massager offers a deep and relaxing massage experience with adjustable intensity levels. It's perfect for relieving muscle tension and improving circulation. With adjustable modes and pressure levels, this leg massager provides effective relief for leg swelling and fatigue. It's ideal for athletes and those with circulation issues.